Good afternoon. How's everybody doing? At least the weather's warming up, isn't it? In fact, I'm perspiring. Anyway, what I'm going to make for you today is meatloaf. Now, I have here half pork, half beef. You could use all beef if you want. You could use all pork if you want. But I have a pound of each. So that's 2 pounds. This will feed a family of 4 or 5. All right, so I have the chopped meat here, and I'm going to add a good handful of parsley and 3 cloves of garlic to this. Now I have 2 eggs and a cup of grated cheese, whichever you like. This is Pecorino Romano. What I'm going to do is I have the breadcrumbs here, and I'm going to put some passata in it. Whoops. Alrighty. I'm going to mix this around. And I'm going to add it to the meatloaf mixture. All right. I'm going to use my hands to mix it. I washed them quite a few times, as a matter of fact. What I'm going to do is mix this all up, and then I'm going to roll it out on the paper and put some mozzarella in, roll it up and put it in the oven. Now you could put some potatoes and onions around in the pan if you want, with some olive oil and tomatoes, passata if you like. Or you could leave it plain. I'm doing it plain today. Want the extra calories with the potato and stuff. So, it's pretty much like a meatball mix. You could use a meatball mix. But it really comes out delicious. Also, as an option, you can put some bacon slices on top. I'm not going to do that today, but that's a good option. If it's too dry, just add a little bit more passata, or you could add a little bit of water. Now what I'm going to do, and let me take this off here, is take the meatloaf and press it down. Press it down to about, I'd say, 1 inch thick. Try to get it square. That looks about good. And what I'm going to do is put the mozzarella. Save a few pieces for the top. In the last 10 minutes, you could put a few pieces on top. That's good. Now you're going to take this and you're going to roll it. Now what I'm going to do is take a little bit of olive oil. We don't want it to stick to the bottom. I'm going to take the loaf. Whoa! and put it like that. Now, as I said, you could put potatoes and onions around here with some more passata around the sides and a little bit of salt, and it comes out great. Now, the last 10 minutes, like I said, I'm going to put some mozzarella on top. This is going to go into a preheated oven, 375, and it's going to take about 45 minutes. So at 35 minutes, I'm going to check it, put the mozzarella on, and then put it back in. I'll be back when it's done, and I can taste it for you. Okay. So it's been in there for 45 minutes. At 35 minutes, I put the mozzarella on it, and kept it in for another 10 minutes. I'm gonna wait a few minutes before I cut into it and to taste it. I'll be back. Okay, so it's ready to eat, and it looks so moist and delicious. That's really good. I hope you try it. It's not hard. Like I said, you can put potatoes and onions around it with tomato sauce or without tomato sauce. But I hope you try it. It's easy. Until next time, bon appetit.